Chevy 283 bust down. About to get this intake off of here and take a look inside, see what's going on with it. Yep, got the intake off of there. Look pretty clean, but the hell is that? The hell is that? I don't know. But it looked pretty clean. All the push rods moving pretty good, but I don't know if y'all can see up in there though, but this is supposed to be original 67. I don't think 67 come with a double roller. Somebody tell me. I think dude was lying, talking about all original. Look at that double roller timing chain in there. I'm trying to get it focused. You see it? Double roller timing chain. This can't be original motor. Well, we gonna find out. To me, the pan look kind of big, but maybe I'm tripping. But we'll see. We gonna find out. Stay up.